So yeah, just keep it up, brother, and all the way up from here. So I keep
Motivate,
grinding
motivate.
every day. Work hard, keep training, listen to your coaches, and yeah, just take it day by day, and eventually you will come there on top, and hopefully shoot for the stars as possible. We locals, we play from just play in all different areas. You know what I mean? So it is possible because we have the likes of Nasif Morris, Tashrik Matthews. They're all from local areas. So look where they are now. So it's not impossible. You can definitely come. You can definitely come there where they are. So yeah, just work hard, train, and listen to your coaches, and then yeah, you will come there.
Much appreciated,
No worries,
Elias.
brother. Keep it up, boss. Keep it up.
Before we leave, guys, where can we get you on Instagram, TikTok,
On
YouTube?
Instagram, Elias_Souls. Not so much on TikTok. So yeah, just Instagram.
Short, no?
No worries, brother.
Ah, today, and who am I today with?
Landon.
Landon. Look at Landon. Simple today. Alright. So basically, you tell the people, you tell my friends, even on that side of the world, how it is to be living in the area in the same wood as we grow up.
It's very good. I love the wood. We just play soccer here with the big boys, and it's nice. I love to be in this area. I was here since 2011.
Hmm.
I just love it here.
Is it all? Anything like positive you want to say for the next like for this? As you can see, everyone here standing. Last any words,
Um,
positive words to the next person who gets to.
just go for your goals. That's all.
Is it okay? So anyone can get you on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah, on TikTok it's Landon 16433.
Okay, there we go. Chat. Leiden 16443. And this is the, like I say, the video. Live from the block. Anyone want to say something to the mic? Huh?
Hi
Ako
guys.
Dragon Ball Z guy. Don't be so shy. You want to say something? Sorry.
Hi guys, I just love it in this area. I just came here now, but it's very nice here also.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years old. What's your name?
Shakira.
Shakira. Anyone can find you maybe on TikTok,
On
on
TikTok,
Instagram.
user Kira LOL.
Okay. Also another thing is in your hobbies you like what?
Soccer.
Something you like soccer. Okay, you have a favorite team you support?
Um, Liverpool.
Liverpool. That's nice. You can say any player from Liverpool that you like in that team.
Salah.
Musalla, Muhammad Salah, whatever. Okay, chat. Let's go. Catch you guys later. Wanna say something now, my brother?
I forgot my username
No
now.
worry, man. First, say what's your name?
Logan.
Logan. How old are you, Logan?
11.
11 years old. Okay, so tell me one thing that you like about yourself.
I'm very strong and big.
Okay. In the sports,
I play rugby.
you play rugby, prop, left wing,
I'm
center,
flank
you flank.
and lock.
Okay, nice. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
A Springbok player.
Guys, big dreams. Never impossible to get, bro. Always dream big. Okay, what's the good positive feedback or message that you can say um for the day or how maybe change someone's how they
Never,
feel?
never give up for your dreams and chase them always.
Thank you, appreciate it. Anyone I can find on TikTok, Instagram?
Uh, I think my username is very cool boy,
Okay. Ito,
but I'm private.
the private.
Yeah,
No, yeah, this is not private, it's public.
I can make my account public.
Mas appreciate Logan.
Uh,
So yun na. So yeah, like you guys saw eh, the kids was nice. The energy is quiet. Like I told you, it's always the kids and the platform that I'm bringing to is neutral, not judgmental. So don't be shy, man. I'm in your hood. Next could be your hood. Next could be. You never know. Possibilities is like they say, sky's no limit. Let's go. So now we're walking. Basically, we walk past the first field, and now we're going towards the second field, close to the mall side. See who we can get on the mic to talk. Few prank questions. Alright, let's go, man. See, there's someone listening. Baby girl, come here. Where are you? What's one question? Just one question. It's only one question. No need to be shy. The question is, the first is, okay. What's your name?
Ashira,
Bashiro. How old are you?
14.
14 years. Come send us a Bashiro, man. 14 years old. In your hobbies you play?
Soccer and rugby.
Rugby. What team? What's your favorite team in soccer?
Liverpool.
Liverpool. Oh, another Liverpool. Okay, nevertheless, that's man. Can I ask you a question?
Us.
No? Between a sunny day and a winter day, what's your favorite?
A winter day.
Winter day, why?
It's the best. I'm
Mm.
born in winter as well.
Is it? Okay, you can tell anyone where you can get you on TikTok, on Instagram.
On Instagram.
Instagram. You want mind dropping your Instagram thingy?
Your cute girl with dashes in between.
Your cute girl with dashes in between. Bashiro from the block with your AJ. When she's not here, she is when she so she's come, baka nyo bunong mas camera ki. Okay, wanna ask you guys something nice. Right now, how's your day going so far?
Fine.
Fine. So, what's your name?
Robin.
Robin. And what's your name, my friend?
Zukanya.
Zukani.
Nabila.
Nabila. So you guys, of course, know me, right? And I, of course, know you. But today, the people that's watching doesn't know you. So I want to do simple. Introduce yourself. What you and the first two questions is what do you like about this area, and would you do you see where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
Okay, my name is Robin. I like this area because it's nice here, and in 5 years
Mhm.
time, I want to become a lawyer.
You want to become a lawyer, and you so like I'm gonna say you're working towards the you're in school so far.
I am going to school and I'm
Okay, what
working
grade?
towards grade 8.
Grade 8, that's nice. Cool, good. I like the dreams. I like the dreams.
I like this area because it's calm.
What else?
In 5 years' time, I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Oh, you girls have big dreams, no? Never, like I say, sky is never the limit. It's always achievable. Okay, last question for my followers and for everyone. What's one good thing you can tell about me?
Yeah, like, can I say you nice
Okay, thank you.
and you always have respect.
Oh, yeah, the respect. That's nice.
You're kind and helpful.
Oh, I'm kind of helpful. Back with you, boy. Love on the block. And enjoy, guys, today further. Before we leave, what will be the last message to someone else that might get the mic? What will be the message?
Oh, please enjoy your stay.
I hope you enjoy it further.
Thank you. Like I say, guys, there's a lot of love everywhere with your boy AJ in your hood, my hood, everyone's hood. You know what's good. So that's the second part of my area. I'm comfortable, of course. I'm chill. I grew up here, and today we were just doing like a sample video. You see, asking people what they like, either what they like about me, what they like about the the area, and basically showing you guys that how how well I'm known here and how liquor the people in my area is in the hood. With your boy, let's go. It was very beautiful, and that's to be the soccer we used to play. Every Sunday there was tournaments running here. We all grow up, so things change in life. But the positivity stays not. The fire is always burning inside. Sometimes it needs to be seen, sometimes it needs to be taken out by the people. And yeah, and I'm that guy that's just bringing out the good out of it. How's it guys going? How's it guys going? Liquor, man. You guys are alright? Liquor, man. Okay, guys, sorry to disturb you, what you're busy with, but don't mind if I ask you a few questions according to how the day was and let the people know where you're from, how's the wood, how's it me being with you, and how am I being with you guys, and any positive feedback. So we're gonna start with a separate now. Your name and
My name is Ziad. My surname is Abrams.
why and your name, bro?
Muhammad Junaid van die Kerk.
Asu.
Shine hotly.
Zijn Hartley.
Zuiden Napolis.
Zuiden Napolis. Kwai. See ya. So I wanna ask, what's the best thing in living in this wood, in this area? What's
Survival.
survival? Anything you like about being in this area?
What I like being in this area is just the environment sometimes. So
Okay.
right, you understand, but sometimes the environment is not so good.
Mm.
You see, but okay, I love it day by day. I
Why?
take it like it come. You
Mm.
see,
Keep
because
strong,
God
yeah.
don't put you to a test what you can't fulfill. You understand?
Nah, facts. That's facts.
That's my point.
I respect
My
that.
point is, living this area,
Mm.
when I raised, I was like, not raised well.
Mm.
I was, how could I say,
But a tough life.
a tough life, you
Yeah.
understand?
Mm.
Was a little struggle, but
But we persevere, yeah. We keep strong.
I keep strong. I came through it.
Oh yeah.
As I raised, I got wise,
Okay.
came to hustle. So I saw life is real.
Nah, facts.
You need to hustle.
True. Is that it all?
That's all with
For
I
them.
me,
respect that.
what I will say for me is not actually to be living in our place, man.
Mm.
Because now every day you must look over your shoulders. You see,
Mm.
look right, look left. You never know. See, one day how you laying on the pavement and so on. So I always tell over him, yeah, he mustn't go so out in the night late, because I
Mm.
must look after him, man.
Mm.
Nobody's older than me or whatever. I want what's best for him, man. See,
Okay, you understand, yeah.
now, that's of going out so in the night. I always tell him, hey, look here, stay here by us, man. Don't go out, man, bro. Since you know, 'cause I don't want to late. I don't want to hear tomorrow now he's like on the pavement. Since
Oh yeah. You want
not
you want
why.
you at least have an outcome.
So
So
for me, I cut place.
say that thing.
I don't want to love you. Every day you must look over your shoulders, even if you're not a gangster, bro.
Mm.
Since
Okay. Okay, so I got also a last thing before I go is what's maybe a few things good you can say about me being in the hood with you guys. Yeah.
You're a tough guy in the hood.
Yes, yeah. You surviving because most of us as hard man,
Mm.
as hard of us. You see, as stuff. It's
Okay.
because you do stuff, certain stuff you do what is right becomes wrong.
True.
You see, stuff what you do is not enough. Whatever effort you put in is not enough.
Mm.
You understand? So you don't know what you must do to make it enough.
Oh yeah. Really, yeah. But you know what now? Like I say, God sees you and always don't forget where you come from. The best, how can I say, the best resource to find that emptiness, to be replaced with something is when you put your head down to your God, you know?
Yes, yeah.
That's number one. Number two, always wake up positive. How can I give some that small lighty something today?
Mm.
So when you do that, like they say, early bird catches the worm.
Ah,
Doesn't mean that really she catches the worm. You know what?
yes, yeah.
Because that worm was also on a mission to feed his family.
Yes,
But
yeah.
it's a system. You know, so system sometimes you either can work with it or it breaks you. But in our area, it never breaks us. You can see we're all still standing here. And how long are we together? As you can see, chat, they all know me and I know them.
Yes, yeah.
How
We
long?
grew up
We
together.
grew
man.
up together. As soon as
Wow.
you know, Brock from the love, that's the boy. You
Yes,
know,
yeah.
you want to check me on this video over on YouTube? Check me out. But the point is, we're all gonna make it, man.
Yes, yeah.
You know, I just need you guys' love and support and always positive and stay together.
Sure.
So those people here, my fans, my followers, and so one day they love back to us, they'll take us out of the situation.
Sure.
They'll change everything. You know, take steps. Like I say, the sky is never the limit. Oh guys, appreciate it. Appreciate it. As deep words of you guys. Appreciate it. No? Be safe and stay strong. Sharp, sharp, bro. Okay, Mookie? Alright, Mookie? Can I ask you a few questions today? Yes, just one thing. Just one thing. Okay, quick. Guys, what's a good thing you can tell my followers for being in this wood with me?
Good thing.
Yeah, something quiet, something lekker, man. What do you like about me basically as we grew up?
What do I like about you?
Hmm.
You, what can I say? The way you are today, man.
That's so.
The way I see you, I see you on TikTok and stuff. So
That's so. Now, okay, now we can message get you on TikTok, Instagram.
I'm not on TikTok, but you can get me on Facebook or so.
Okay.
Insta. Joshua Kirby.
Joshua Kirby. 6 months drop, man. Mabi, yani. Say na what? Oh, yeah, bro. Walk safe, no?
Okay, so.
Stop. Nice. Guys, good. You can say your name. And what's your name, my brother?
Yo, Mukhtar Lakai.
Mukhtar Lakai. Say Mukhtar, I want to ask something. What positive feedback message the next person gonna get the mic?
Nah, just keep your head up. Life get tough. Stay strong. Head up. Chest out, shoulders up.
Hey,
Lick the
love that.
cheese. And then
Love that.
here's your royal fish for the Owens.
Shall we go check, guys? Let's check.
What is this? Royal fish, eat like a king. Feel like royalty. Here's it now. On your bread.
On Friday, next week Friday, right? Basically, the date is.
Nah, not date your one, but the
No,
date
we.
is, what is the date? The 21st next week. What's the date next week?
I think it's 24 Friday.
I don't know what
Nevertheless,
the date
but
is.
guys, pull through. Yeah, but Royal Feast. As you guys is
Eat
starting his
like a
business.
king. Feel like a royalty.
Here we go, my brother.
Here we go.
So we can we get you on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook?
Instagram, you can get me. Okay, now I don't want to give my Instagram, but I'm gonna make an Instagram tomorrow today. You can get
Okay.
on the Royal Fish.
Okay.
WP.
Hi, WP.
Royal
Capital.
Fish WP 786. Us, yeah.
796. Like you
Yeah.
say,
Yes.
there we go, 796 for AJ Podcast.
Us.
796 Royal Fish. Feel like a king, eat like a fish.
Mercy.
And that's it, brother.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
No, no. Alright.
Friday, I'm gonna. Brother, Dean. Alright? I'm good, man, brother. You don't mind also a few things? Where you going? Come stay in here. No, show the some, the love. Come stay on the side. Don't be so. Come stay in here. Don't be so, man. Don't be so. Alright, so. I'm gonna ask each of you guys questions, but first we're gonna intro yourself, no? We'll start with you.
What's my name?
Yes, so it doesn't matter. The name, surname.
Zakira Ismail.
Ismail, and how old are you?
I'm 18.
Lekker. Where the people can get you? Instagram, TikTok.
They can get me on TikTok and Insta.
You wanna drop it?
My TikTok account name is Kira280 and my Insta is Zakira Williams.
Akira Williams. On your
I'm
side?
Dean Low Bubble 38. My Insta and my TikTok is Low Bubble 38 also.
Okay.
Zakira Zoltenberg.
Okay. So today's thing I wanna ask is, what's the one thing you love from this block, from this area basically?
Nah, like it's just live here. It's for me live. I like that whenever it was. Like it's not too quiet, it's not too messy, it's just alright when it's in
That's true.
away.
And I hear you make music and stuff like this, or like you rap or
Away.
I would love to ask maybe 2 minutes or 1 second or maybe 30 seconds, like just a quiet intro of your latest song.
Okay, my pop, everyone shout out for taking a stand. I was 8 years old when he was out just making them bands. Never knew that it would happen, but that's how it was planned. I make it big since my papa never had the chance.
Oh, fire, bro, fire. Nah, chat, that's fire. What do you like about being in this area or what?
I'm not from here.
You're not from here, where you from then?
I don't stay here. I stay in the Linte.
And then about the Makkah side. Okay, so she's here Palestine now. Remember, Makkah is there Palestine. You want to say? Okay, appreciate it so much.
Sure.
No?
Away. Thanks.
So, see ya. Here's my code. And then you start going up to the rugby. What's your name, bro?
Kiam.
Kiam. You're right, Kiam.
Alhamdulillah, and yourself?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good, man. Check Kiam, today's video, no? Is love from the block. Why can you say something that you love from the block?
The community.
Okay.
The people around us, they spread positivity. Some people spread positivity. Yeah.
Lekker. Yeah, anyway, people can get you. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube.
TikTok, Kiam_Abrams and Instagram Kiam301.
Hi, lekker man, Kiam. So we both grew up with elkaar in a way. No? You're looking fine, man. Guys, looking lekker. You look like it's going to a girlfriend. It's live.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay, look here. Be safe. Any last message you wanna send to the persons that get the mic next?
Stay positive, smile, it's a sunnah. That's all I
Oh.
can say. Shukran.
Appreciate it.
See you.
Sure. Yeah. As you can see here, guys, printing, copying, printing, spices, everything. I used to come here when I used to do job hunting, no? Then there was times I had to make me a CV. This is to be the spot. At the moment it's early, you understand? Not early, but it's most Saturday, man. People going out and maybe with the family, some going to the rugby. So that's the place I'm trying to say is I used to do my CVs for the job. Now I'm making CVs for you to get the job. Why are you laughing? I'm still running. Can we go thirsty now? You know that smaak a drink now, no? Smaak a liquor, what to drink or something. Interview the buy. Let's buy. What's this buy's name again? Joe. You know, huh? Let's get this one. The other office. The other office. Where you going? Where you guys off to?
Going over to the mall.
Oh, to the mall. You're running away from you guys. And to know me was that. Okay, look, quick bit. Don't know me. Now, how are you gonna get to know me today? So I'm AJ, no? Right, it's your boy AJ. Right. So, and with who am I today?
Kiana.
Kiana. How old are you?
I'm 13.
13. Any good positive? You can say that you love being in this area.
I love my hometown. Like, it's nice here, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone get you on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook?
TikTok.
Okay, we drop your TikToks.
Kiki.
Kiki. This is Kiki.
Yes.
Okay, enjoy your day, Kiki, and be safe.
Okay. Thank
Bye.
you.
No, I was the baby.
What you vlogging?
I'm vlogging, yeah.
Huh?
Can I get you in? You want me in?
Nah, I'm good.
Okay. And see this call, guys. Ah! Old school slot, Brad. Just going smooth. No surprise, how can I say? Also for a lot of people in, and it's still the excitement part. Like I say, it's a whole day on the block, love from the block with your boy AJ. So this is the brand name mismo want to say AJ Podcast, right? And at the back, it's your boy. Almost got you. You must know me and I know you. But they don't know you. So what's your name?
My name is Ayan, and yeah, my name is Ayan.
Yeah, don't be shy, man. He likes cameras, just lie.
My name is Abdulaziz.
Abdulaziz. How old are you, Abdulaziz?
I'm 12, 14.
14 years old. And you're there?
I'm 16.
16. Okay. So 5 years from now, where do you see yourself?
Yo, starting my own business.
Okay. What business is?
Yo, I don't know, selling clothes, man.
No, okay,
Maybe
okay.
a
Nice.
new brand.
No, it's
Making my
quite.
own brand.
Do you have any like a blueprint in your mind? What you start over hoodies?
Not at the moment.
Okay, no,
Yeah.
okay, that's good. And you maybe you see yourself in 5 years?
Now I'm probably gonna work at a very company. I'm gonna probably do business.
Okay.
Start to get business, yeah.
Yeah.
Make my own company.
Nice, nice. Okay, let's sweeten it up. Right now from the block. In this, bye. Growing up with me as I'm the elder. Growing up, what do you like about all this that I'm being in the area and I'm doing videos and how does it make it feel for you? Do you feel like it's an opportunity for you to for improvement?
Yes, there is. That is. Yes.
Growing up with me, how was it?
It was good.
No.
Nice. There was always a lot of fun going on.
Nice, nice. On your side?
Yeah, it was like fun in the side, like lots of noise. Never quiet at night.
True, no?
Very true.
So now just for that, guys, they must buy me now a drink, man. What am I today? Not what you want, man. It's just simple. What's your name?
Keisha.
Keisha.
Mhm.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
20. Okay, so tell me something that you love about yourself.
I don't think there's any.
You don't love nothing about yourself. You have a nice color purple and it's giving you like a nice glow out, like,
Thank you.
Why, man?
I think it will suit you also.
Purple, they must definitely know.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, what can you tell the people there love growing up in this area? How is it for you?
It's shitty though. But all I can say is that be real, man. Understand?
Why?
Be fake. You understand?
yeah.
You see the youngsters like how they standing here right now. That's typical colors.
Nice life.
Yeah.
And that's how it is. The excitement to see something happening, something real things. Like I say, don't be fake video.
Be real.
Okay, so any feedback you can give to someone so they get the mic? Good message, positive.
Not actually, but that's all I have to say for now.
Okay, now where people can get you on TikTok, Instagram?
No, not now. Not now. I'm not on anything right now.
Oh, so you basically just for yourself.
Yeah, in
Is it?
private, you know.
Okay. Any hobbies you like?
To be honest with you, there's none.
None, so just basically.
No.
Okay. Unfortunately, but nevertheless, it's not over. Like I say, keep positive and be real. Shy, some people's not. Appreciate it. Some people, they just don't want to be on a camera. But me, unfortunately, you will be on the camera. He was the cameraman. Okay, look at me. He's on the camera, but you don't know he's on the camera. He's holding the camera. Yeah, this is me being now. Ako susunod say, Ruch, ik is thirsty. Dry moments. Okay, so now we're gonna switch up the thing. So let's go. Let me think about it.
So yes guys, cameraman.
Whereas the Bobber did a good job.
Barber. Go hit him up on TikTok. You can find him on TikTok. Whereas the Barber. Message him. Let it cut you. Go try him out. As you can see, he cuts good. So yes guys, shout out to Whereas the Barber. Maybe, hopefully I will be seeing him soon again.
See how live, show them how live it is. Show them how live it is. Yeah. Balas? Yeah, Balas. Tell them man some stories, yeah. Man.
What kind of stories? What?
Tell us a little story. How it was in the area growing up.
It was nice living in this area, my brother. The guys smoke out pellet guns, man. You will learn to get to know each other. Smoke out pellet. How do you play course, my bro? Yes, Burki. He's still working course home, man. It's nice, man.
For real, guys.
It was nice here in this place, man. The young man is good.
No? But see, tell them what the best thing, what's the nice thing growing up here?
Growing up, my brother, the nicest thing for me now was, yo, my brother, I don't know how to put it. There's many ways also for me, because you know, back I come through the kingdom, my brother.
That's what I like. I like the people.
I can't cut one person's thing and the other person has been there for me to grow up in, my bro. No, okay, I can't say no gangster or some things, but I don't involve me there.
There's always everywhere it goes. There's always
all my friends, not all my friends, but most of our friends, my bro. What is that today, my bro? Where are they today, my bro?
I don't want to tell you, no?
my bro.
But oh, rest in peace, and also some of them are, still struggling and
But
going through things.
my bro, man.
That's why I'm here. Opportunities
It's
given.
not for you to say so. Them, the tongues want to think. They put themselves there, man. Guys, man. Look where I'm with the guys, but this guy's gonna show off, man.
That's the fun part, man.
No,
That's the
I
right
don't
part.
like showing off. We live, man. We live, man.
Papa son. See you guys. Because for what people also know house, man. Smokey. Smokey. That's not about us. It is about us.
I guess yeah.
So guys,
Now what you want to know when we were young, my bro?
Okay, so
It's a
tell-
lot, me, bro.
Okay, we're gonna start by the liquor times. How it was.
How it was? It was nice, my
man.
bro.
No.
It was nice, my bro. Getting to know you younger since, my bro. Every la parang, every was my bro. I must my grandma's for a time since, my bro.
Cookies and so on.
It was nice, my bro. Since getting to know you, my bro, is young, bro. All of the light is here, my bro. They grow up in front of me also, man. Since
But I
I
know-
by a 5-star hotel, my bro. I eat a girl in the hotel, my bro. It was out of the window and daughter, but it was nice, my bro.
Is it? Yeah,
Yo, my bro.
Out of the, didn't you fall out of the window?
Nah, I grew up.
You grew up.
You don't know, my bro. I'm a big man.
But look here, man. What do you think must have next on this TikTok?
Niks on this TikTok.
Yeah, on this video.
On this video.
Papa
Yeah,
Ernstig.
Papa Ernstig. Yeah,
Say that
Papa
thing.
Ernstig. His name is Aaron, man. They call him Ernstig because he is very Ernstig. Funny with the family and stuff. He drives them also. He's only the guys must put down for him.
Nice,
Nice,
man.
like now you see Islamic.
You know, most man.
I love you, man.
I love you too, man.
I've come from 2 places, but I'm talking of number 1.
As you can check, this is how it is. This is just the warm up. Later, I'll give you the ending. Right? Yeah, back with the ball. That's it. Come on, touch. Liquor. No bounce.
Take a voice pop.
Voice pop, man.
Stop
Don't you get it?
Ja, zo praten we drug awareness and
helping the community how to get the drugs and the bad vibes out of the
bad vibes and mindsets, how to change people's mindsets. So the children's mindsets actually.
Right, yeah, everything for the youth and the future is good, as you can see. So I also heard Uncle speaking about getting the film maybe already, right?
Yeah, big
No,
plans
I don't
for our film. Yeah,
all soccer you can see now just.
We're planning to put the 7th turf on the field. Yeah, that's my aim, yeah. Because there's lots of talent here and the children can't play in sand.
A lot of sports been, a lot of tournaments been taken on, there was a lot of events and games, so hopefully we can bring that spirit back.
We can,
And
as a
all
team,
that-
as a community, we
The
can.
community we can,
And we
we
can
can
stand
definitely
together,
stand together.
just to stand as one.
So there will
You
be sponsors and
understand?
helps. At the end, you know, because it was all improvement, all about the community. To the very safe stuff. Kissy. Very beautiful. Alright, we're gonna start upstairs. We're gonna start with Mariam. Okay, we're gonna start with Bilkis. Bilkis, I know what you know. Bilkis, study. Okay, let's start. Keep it. Say your name. And how's your day going so far? Your friends and where do you see yourself in 5 years? Or you want me to ask you the question? Okay, Bilkis. Let's go. Tell me the people your name.
My name is Bilkis George. I'm 12 years old. I'm currently playing soccer for Menenberg City, and one day, inshallah, I hope to be a professional soccer player.
Okay. Like, what's one thing that you like about this area?
Very calm.
Yeah. Inside that?
My name is Sajda. My surname is Vikram, and I'm 12 years old. And the next 5 years, I don't want to be I don't want to play netball. And I just want to ask one question for.
Well, ask me. She's almost the first person for the whole day asking me a question.
So I wanted to ask what inspired you? What inspired you?
At the age, so it's a quiet question. Let me just give me 3 minutes. So I was watching EB. He's a YouTuber. Shout out to EB. Very famous YouTuber, very famous influencer TikToker. I like these videos, and I told myself, you know, you can do it, and I'm sure it's possible for everyone. So that's also what inspired me. But what made me want to do it my way, what I'm doing now, the community, and also opportunity for you small guys to be on the platform. So my platform is neutral, not judgmental, and you know, be like comment, you know, can be even an opportunity to be on YouTube and TikTok. So to answer your question is, you guys are actually my motivation. Every smile, every laugh, every time you ask me something, if I can get an opportunity to ask from Mariam, yay, I feel like as long as I'm loving, as long as it will be going. So, any other questions or?
No, that's all.
Oh, it's a nice question. You also like want to ask me a question? Mariam?
Yeah.
So you say your name, Mariam.
My name is Mariam Tamakis. I'm 12 years old. I play soccer.
Is it? What's some your favorite hobby or something your favorite foods? What do you like?
Pizza.
You like pizza? And Bilkis, what do you like? Spaghetti. Lasagna. Spaghetti and lasagna. And what's your favorite foods? Macaroni and cheese. You know that song on Bonnie? Make a macaroni and cheese. I used to grow up with Bonnie. I know you guys grow up with Cocomelon and stuff like that. Okay, what's one positive word, sentence, or anything you can leave on the mic for someone else? Positive something.
Don't be rude to others, and if you want something, if you want to be kind, if you be kind to others, you will be kind back.
So basically, you be kind to people, people be kind to you. So words, no? Like that. Mariam, come show them. Easy one. Now,
Also disrespect your parents.
That's nice. Solid. Never disrespect your parents.
Never swear.
Do you swear?
Yes. Sometimes.
Okay. I'll say something nice, Mariam. That you like about this area. It's very nice. That was growing up with me, guys. They asked me when I'm gonna get the surprise and the drink. Next week, tomorrow, whenever, it must be more on the videos. Huh? You guys. We have reached the end of the video with your boy AJ. As you know, it was very, as you can see, camera guy, what do you think? It was very nice.
Good.
It's very good. It turns out better than I expected. Also, the last piece or the girl side, nice questions you asked me, got me a bit thinking. And let me also recap onto like you understand that what motivates me and say something quiet for the people. Come say something quiet for the people.
So guys, welcome to my daddy's videos.
My daddy loves people who want to come to him. And that's why he must come to the soccer. When he comes to the soccer, everyone must come. No?
No.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Ciao, Sos. Yeah, who's gonna be the next YouTuber? But nevertheless, guys, so like as you can see today, we met people that was not dressed, met people that was not even repaired, they didn't know what's happening. As you can see, it was not planned, and it's a role. I also wasn't there planned. I had it in my mind, but it wasn't
Daddy, can I talk again?
wasn't as I expected.
Can I talk again?
Yes, you can now talk. So there was a pot. The kids was playing just one bounce, one touch, one bounce. If you get touched twice, thrice, you get letters BU, something like I can't remember. But then you get the whole baran. They must kick you. It was a lot of fun, entertainment, and also yeah, I'll keep you guys posted by the ending of the video. By the ending side minute of the day. Sorry. Stay safe.
Can I talk?
Stay tuned. Hit that button. Subscribe. Let's go.